The federal government has assured Nigerians there is no cause for alarm over the recent enforcement court order mandating U.K. engineering firm Process and Industrial Development Limited to seize $9 billion worth of Nigeria's assets in both the U.K. and U.S.A. Several ministers, including Lai Mohammed, Justice Abubakar Malami, Zainab Ahmed, and the governor of the Central Bank, Godwin Emefiele, spoke to newsmen in Abuja, saying efforts have commenced towards appealing the order, while they insist the contract in dispute was fraudulent and intended to reap the nation. They say high-level investigations into the connivance of Nigerian officials in the award of the contract has also commenced.
Nigeria is not, and I repeat, is not about to lose any of its assets to P&ID. There is no imminent threat to Nigeria's assets. In the first instance, the enforcement of the award cannot even commence now because the judge in the UK court ordered that the P&ID cannot enforce the judgment against Nigeria until after the court resumes from its current vacation. The federal government therefore wishes to use this opportunity to assure Nigerians that there is no immediate threat to Nigeria's assets and as has been wrongly interpreted by a section of the media. In challenging the award, the federal government relied upon an expert report analyzing the damage given to the P&ID. The experts concluded that the damages were, 1, clearly unreasonable and manifestly excessive and exorbitant. 2, that the damages went far beyond any legitimate protection of the commercial interests of the P&ID. That the damages were completely wrong and obviously unjustifiable.
As you rightly know very well, Federal Ministry of Petroleum Resources is not a producer of gas. Gas products are produced by IOCs, international oil companies, NPDC, and perhaps NNPC. So when you conceived, sign and execute a contract for the supply of gas products without involving IOCs, NPDC, and NNPC as a party to that agreement, you know very well that there are a lot of questions to answer arising from the execution of that agreement. So these, among others, gave rise to insinuations of perhaps certain criminal and fraudulent conspiracies right from the conception of the agreement.
So this award that is unreasonable, that is excessive and exorbitant, is also unfair and is an assault to each and every Nigerian. It is beyond trying to compensate for a commercial interest, is an assault to each and every Nigerian. So for us in the Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning, we take comfort from the efforts that so far have been put in place by the Attorney General and the Minister of Justice to ensure that this judgment is set aside.
The money that they want to take is the money that is our own common wealth that belongs to all of us. But it is very sad that you will find some Nigerian collaborators with some foreign interest under bogus intentions trying to defraud this country. If they have proof of their investment, we are calling on them to please come forward and provide us proof of how they invested money in this project. It was a contract that was meant to fail ab initio from the beginning. And I think we've read even some Nigerian media organizations castigate and say Nigerians should pay. This is a time for us to be patriotic and rise. If you find a fault in what Nigerian or the governor or the minister or anybody has done, stand up and say it. But not for you to collaborate and begin to join forces with people who want to defraud the country. I'm saying from our part as Central Bank, We do not have any information in our records, no evidence to show that a foreign company who came into this country deserves to be awarded $9.6 billion without investing a cent in Nigeria.